We're excited to introduce the Interpack USC 2024 BB, a powerful, compact, semi-automatic uniform case sealer built to deliver reliable performance, maximize productivity, and conserve valuable floor space. The USC 2024 BB features a heavy-duty twin 3-inch bottom belt drive system that provides exceptional traction for heavier cases while handling a wide range of case weights and sizes. Capable of moving product at speeds up to 82 feet per minute, the self-tensioning, self-centering belts deliver reliable throughput and can be replaced in seconds without tools. The USC 2024 BB was engineered with operators in mind. Case size changeovers are fast and simple, featuring a convenient handle for height adjustments and a unique centering guide system that makes width changes effortless. Replacing tape is equally easy thanks to a top tape head featuring quick roll access. Every USC 2024 BB comes equipped with IPG's proven ET2 Plus tape heads, featuring dual independent wiping tabs that firmly drive adhesive into the corrugate, creating strong, secure seals even on today's recycled corrugated cases. Additional world-class features include a compact design that maximizes valuable production floor space, heavy-duty 3mm formed and welded steel construction for long service life, powerful 1/3 horsepower motors capable of processing cases up to 65 pounds, standard single-wheel top squeezers that compress major flaps before taping for consistent seal quality, standard in-feed and exit tables that extend the handling area for smoother case processing. Compact, durable, and built for performance, the Interpack USC 2024 BB helps streamline case sealing, reduce maintenance, and improve overall packaging line efficiency.